How to change text direction in table and text in MS Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Word. Then, if you have table, to change direction, select the text you want to change direction of and right click on it. Then click on text direction in here. After that, you'll find all these options pop up. Select the one you prefer. You can also see preview how it looks and press on OK. After that, your text direction will be changed in the table. But if you want to do it in text, click on Insert at the top. After that, click on Text Box. Click on Simple Text Box. After that, at the top, you'll find Shape Format. Click on Text Direction in there. And you'll find options in here as well. Select the one you prefer, and then you're good to go. This is how to change text direction in table and text in MS Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.